What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the fam. What are we going to be learning about today?
We're going to make a train look like it's moving.
Yeah, we're going to make a train look like it's moving. And you're getting so good at this Photoshop thing that you're just going to fly solo on this one. We're going to be doing this in Photoshop, and we're going to be making it look like it's moving using a blur, but not just a motion blur.
Here's the original we took last week, and this is what we're going to make it look like.
And just so we don't get any of those comments and emails saying,
"You're putting your kids in danger!"
Here's our little disclaimer.
No children were put in danger in the recording of this video, nor the taking of the original photograph. The train was at a complete stop. There wasn't even a conductor present. We do not recommend screwing around on train tracks while a train is coming. It's too dangerous and really not very smart. Please don't do that. The photograph was taken on our way home from school via cell phone while crossing tracks that we cross daily. Enjoy and have fun.
Roll it! Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click Z on your keyboard, and that is your zoom tool. So you're going to zoom in, you're going to click about 2 or 3 times. And you want to scroll up. There's a scroll button right here, and you want to scroll up so you can see the top of the train. Next, you're going to click W on your keyboard, and that is your wand. And you're going to cut this train out, or whatever your picture is. If you haven't already, make sure you go look at my brother's video. It will teach you how to cut stuff out. Okay, after you have that, you're going to hold down Option, and that will help remove a selection. So hold down Option while you're doing it. Don't forget that. If you want to make your brush bigger, you can use the square brackets. Next, you're going to click Select and Mask. Then you can touch the icon, or you can hit B on your keyboard. When you have objects like this, you can hold down Option and paint right over that. And then you can go around your train or whatever your picture is. Make sure there's nothing wrong. Okay, next you're going to check the box that says decontaminate colors, and that just cleans up the edges. Next you're going to click OK, and we're going to rename background copy to train. Then we're going to turn on visibility of background, and that just brings your background back on. Next, we're going to select background, right click, and convert to smart object. We're going to add a smart filter next, so you're going to go up to filter. You're going to go to blur and use radial blur. Then you make sure you have zoom and best, and have this like kind of in the middle, like up here, and click OK. Bam! That made it blurry. That's the effect we're making it for. Next, we're going to turn the lights on of the train. So we're going to hit the train layer and go to filter, go to render, and do lens flare. We're gonna hit where the lights would be, and that will turn on the lights. And hit OK. Bam! The lights are on. We are almost done. This is the last thing. We're going to zoom out. We're gonna hit Z, and that's our zoom tool. Go to Option and then click a couple times. We're going to hit C on our keyboard, and this will crop it. So we're going to bring it in and do this side too. And then we're going to hit the check mark up here, and it will load. And we're done! Hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!